to the woman I'm becoming.
All right, y'all. So happy Sunday. I'm up. About to watch some TV. Yes, son. Well, y'all, I'm up. It's good to have a grown child. Other than you have to cook. He got up, baby, he cleaned it, he washed it, and he done cooked breakfast. And Andre want my patty. You want another one? Child, get it. Okay. And then you have little ones that want your food. I ain't even touched my plate yet. But anyways, I'm up, I'm editing videos, I'm watching TikTok all at the same time. And I don't even watch TV like that, but I'm gonna watch me some YouTube today. The day, like I said, is Sunday. It's my only day off this week. We're about to go into 6 days straight. And we'll be off. Then we're gonna do the 6 days straight again. And then we're back to our regular schedule. Ooh, thank you, Jesus. I do think next month, I think I'm gonna put in for me a vacation. Not sure if I'm gonna do anything, but more so just to get out of the workload aspect of it all. Yeah, so, but I do have some days coming up too as well that I requested off. I think I want to do me a trip. Don't know exactly where, but I have something in mind. So we're gonna see if that's gonna play out because these days was already requested for to be off another day for something else in pretty much some water. So pretty much I don't think I'm gonna be taking them. I'm gonna be taking those. Well, pretty much I won't be going to what I had initially planned for those days. Thank you. Can you give me my blood pressure medicine out of my bag? Out of my work bag, yes. So, yeah. So like I was saying, so I'm just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with those days. Like I said, I have something in mind, but not sure because that means I'm conquering a fear. We're gonna see how it goes. Sweet Jesus, Mary Joseph. Let's get this started. I always try to start my day with a small reset. It just helps everything flow better. Hey, Queens and Kings, welcome back to Becoming Her, the Intentional Woman Era. This is a real day in my life, balancing motherhood, work, and still showing up for myself in the middle of it all. Motherhood is a big part of who I am, and I'm learning to move through it with more intention. Morning time, I put his clothes and stuff out before he can actually go on and get ready.
Something like a chameleon at the party. Trying to be everyone's type.
These mornings can be busy, but I try to stay present in the moment.
Writing all of these love songs for somebody else. Posting all of these pictures so hearted. Lost myself 1,000 times. Please, Lord, don't let it be 1,000 more. A broken angel in disguise. Still searching for the version of you.
All right, baby. See you later.
I'm treating so funny.
Love you.
See you later.
Once I drop him off, it's time to shift into work mode. So this is what I'm having for breakfast: oatmeal, banana, and my tea. After a long day, I still have things to take care of at home. So once again, it's time to switch into a different mode.
Put on my makeup soon as I wake up. Tease my hair out to look thick like a lace front. Got some more for healing. These scars from surgery, that's just my luck for being a woman. Oh, I tear myself into pieces just to keep the peace. The peace, the peace. Oh, yeah, yeah. Giving everyone comfort except for me. Please, Lord, don't let it be 1,000 more. Angel in disguise. Still searching for the version of you at my core. I swear when I find you, I'll never let you go. I swear when I find you, I'll love you like you know you
Little things like this keep my life from feeling chaotic.
No, we never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're
Even if I'm tired, I try to show up for myself.
oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn up? Let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. What I always wanted, I could never have it. Gone before I grabbed it, over before it started. No, I could never have it. What I always dreamed of, I could always see us. Shadows in the distance, watching from the fences. But I could never have it.
A calm, disciplined woman building her life quietly. Today wasn't anything special, but it was real. And I'm learning that becoming her is about showing up on days like this, taking care of what's matter, doing the best I can, showing up in real life, staying consistent, quietly, and with discipline. Becoming her one intentional moment at a time. Thank you, Queens and Kings, for spending today with me. I'll see you all in the next one. You guys continue to be royal. And remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn show won't fall. Bye-bye.